Hi everybody! Our house is looking really good. It's coming along. Should be finished around December as planned. Well, when we arrived today, the cement truck was pulling up. It's filling the pool with the cement. It looks pretty good. That's our swimming pool. It's going to be a little bigger than a lap pool. Just one depth. On the right is Sock. He's our architect and he designed the house. Today we met with the people who are going to install the air conditioners. We discussed different brands of air conditioners and which ones we're going to get. They made the back porch too small.
This is extension.
Oh.
Yeah, for the laundry.
Okay.
This is the laundry.
We went to IKEA and we got all the bathroom cabinets and, well, we picked them out, the sinks and the bathroom cabinets. Today we went through each of the bathrooms to see what would fit, what would be nice. We talked it over with our architect. And then
Where's the kitchen going to be, dear? Could you point it out? Ah, this is a big area.
Hello everybody, this is the front door of our house. We have a nice view out over the golf course here. It opens to the great room. And we're deciding whether to have a partition in the great room, separating it into two rooms. This is the view out of our living room. We have 3 flame trees right outside in the front. Here's the whole house from the front.
That beautiful tree is blooming, so it looks really nice.
Yeah, we love it.
And we will have that every April, May, and June, I think. The 3 months.